Welcome back again to my channel. Today we're gonna do some plant-based fry tofu. I want you to sit down and relax and enjoy this video because this video gonna be very excited. So as you can see, I deep fry my I basically toss the tofu in basically the breadcrumbs, and I cut up my vegetables, and I'm gonna basically after I toss those, I put it in a freezer to basically freeze to set up. So basically, that's the final stage, and I cut them. They look like chicken, but it's basically vegan, so it's plant based. But so I deep fry them. After I deep fry them, they're gonna have a foamy look because it's all because of the soya bean, and because I add soya bean into the mixture. So whatever you have, you can basically, if you have soybean, you can basically like toss it in the breadcrumbs and basically freeze it, and then bake it again. So it basically stick on to that thing, and that's the look of it. And as you can see, deep fry them. It's not gonna take long because it basically cook already. As you can see, it was getting too much color right there. And then you take them off and basically put them like in a uh, just something that just the oil, soak up the oil. And then after I finish, I just basically decorate my plate, and they look like chicken, right? If you definitely will like this recipe, I would be more than happy to share it. Just holler at me, and I definitely will help you out. And that's the final stage of the plant-based fried tofu, and I do soybean also with some fries on the side and some veg on the side. So it's a very nice presentation. I really like it, and so basically a season um, this, and basically bake it first, and then you know um, then you fry it. So basically, just gonna fry the breadcrumbs. So thank you so much for watching. If you think this video is very interested, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you need this recipe, I can more than happy to give you. All right, peace.